guys, we are here at the FabFitFun kitchen. I am Katie, FabFitFun's co-founder and editor-in-chief, and I am very excited because I am here with all of my favorite ladies. My mom, Wanda, and my two daughters,
Summer and Sienna.
Yep, and we are here because of
Mother's Day.
Yes, we are going to be making some amazing rainbow fruit skewers. Sienna is already eating hers. So they're really fun, they're really easy to do, so you can do them with your kids. You can give them to your mom for Mother's Day brunches or any of your sort of Pinterest-worthy events. We are here for you. Okay, so this is basically what we do. You can take the different fruits and cut them into little pieces, skewer them in a rainbow style, and that's it. So here we go. So we take these cookie cutters. Summer, do you want a star, a heart, or a flower?
A flower.
Okay, here you go. You push it all the way through. Push, 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 push. Push it all the way through. Okay, and then you just pop it out, right? And what do you got?
You got a flower.
That's right, so we're gonna do the same thing with the star. Pop it out. Amazing, look Sienna, look what you made. Yeah, do another one. You can also eat the fruit while you do it, as Sienna is showing us, which is fun. It's a very healthy snack. You have your stars, we have our flowers, we have our hearts, and then once you have all of your different shapes, you take your skewers and you basically just layer them on. Summer, do you remember when we made these for your rainbow birthday party? How old were you turning, do you remember?
5.
I think you were turning 3.
Or 4.
Or maybe 3, so I think it was 2 years ago. All right, so it's really easy. Basically, you just take a blueberry and you slide it on. So this is sort of like the purple-blue color. What comes next after purple-blue in the rainbow?
Green.
Green, you got it. So then we'll do the kiwis. And one of the things that is really important to remember is to leave a little room at the top for a surprise, which we will get to in just a second. So now we have made some amazing fruit skewers. Summer, can you hold up some of the ones that you made? Show us all the rainbow ones. Wow, amazing, you made all of those? So cool. All right, Summer, I have another little surprise for you guys. What is one of your favorite things?
Eating marshmallows and hot chocolate.
Eating marshmallows and hot chocolate. Okay, well we have some marshmallow toppings that I'm very excited to show you guys.
That's the surprise.
So first we're gonna melt the chocolate and then we're gonna dip the marshmallows in and cover them in sprinkles. Once your marshmallows have dried and you can pick them up, you literally just take them and you skewer them on the top for the perfect finish. All right, cheers guys.
Cheers.
All right, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Can we eat?
Absolutely.